Where are you going? To eat a salad? No, don't do that. Turn around and face another Airbnb original creation. The Caliente burger at Rockin Burgers and Dogs. It's spicy enough to make you see through time and space and walls and stuff. Okay, spicy-wise, it's about a 6 out of 10, but still, it's spicy and non-regrettable. Grab a Caliente huge dog too and show the world you can be that person. That one, that sexy you. Oh no, not again. You're not going to believe this, but, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I know! The Caliente burger and Caliente huge dog, it's only at Airbnb. Rockin' Burgers and Dogs. We bring the fire. Bonus. We have roulades that you need. Airbnb.